We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And the teams are off. 2-1-9-5-3 going for those 3 shots in there. Red Alliance making quick work. Blue Alliance doing the same. Blue Alliance has 5, Red Alliance has 4. 52-73, Arc Thunder grabbing and opening that gate at the same time, trying to hit those nice shots. Amazing lobs from 52-73, and they get to the gate before the artifacts can even make it to the bottom. Now we see Blue in the lead currently, but it is a close game. Blue with just 1 that, unfortunately, it bounces out.
Drivers,
but right now, Blue has the game by 3 points. We're seeing a lot of build-up over in those loading zones, specifically over by the blue tunnel, but that red ramp is also ripe for the taking. We're going to see a lot of teams moving across this field, getting these stray artifacts. But like I said, that loading zone is going to be something like a prime spot for these teams to grab artifacts from. 30304, like we've seen before, can hit those darts straight from the far side. 59-57 though are no slackers themselves. They're going to throw those darts and try and set up a nice flow state going on between the loading zone and the far state. And Dahlia Engineers just going back and forth, but there's some traffic issues going on here. They're going to need to open up that gate and get those things. Maybe the Blue Alliance will be able to take advantage of that. 30304 might be, but it looks like 30304 has a artifact stuck in the side of their robot. That means they're only going to be able to pick up 2 for the rest of the match. 52-73 still trying to cycle back. This is still a close match. Red team only has it by about 10 points. But 30304 trying their best to disrupt that cluster of artifacts over by the blue tunnel so that red cannot take advantage of it while getting the gate. 30304 trying to throw these darts into blue lines, just missing a little bit. They're going to need to adjust their shooting form if they want to take this. However, 52-73, Arc Thunder is making up for this deficit, moving like a cyclone down this field, just doing whatever. No one is interrupting them, taking from the gate, relentlessly going back and forth. No one is on 52-73. There is a almost 20-point deficit now. We have 30 seconds left. Remember, blue was behind. We're seeing 52-73 chug away at this. They're therefore doing their best to just be a nuisance over there, disrupt that, maybe get some artifacts in every now and again. And now that gap has widened for the Blue Alliance, but it's still a close game within about 20 points. We're gonna need to see good parks from both of these teams if they want to win this match. Blue going for both partials, red going for just 1 full. And blue only has this game by...
The Red Alliance takes the victory for match 112 with a score of 203-175. 5 ranking points means Red Alliance upward motion from all sides, making it very tempting to take them for